Alright guys, I ordered a 1-to-1 current Balun. Coax gets attached on this side, and this goes to my dipole antenna. So I made something here with a connector for my coax, and I don't know, here, record me here. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is put that here, screw it on, then silicone the top tight, and we'll get back to you all. All right, guys. Everything is in this little food container. I put the lid on with black silicone, and there's my connector. I would like it to hang like this. My coax will come straight down, and yes, I'm gonna caulk those two. I'm gonna fill up those holes, and there's my connection in there. All right, guys, I'll continue on with the next step. This dipole installation, I ordered some RG213. Let's get a closer look. 50 feet as my center will be right there, and one leg of the dipole will go to that tree, and the other leg, as you can see here, will come to my tower. All right, and let's go up here. So here's the Tupperware 1-to-1 current Balun. I hooked up the adapter and made some soldering here in the joints for tension, and then I'm gonna get a stick to mount this on so the weight doesn't drag it down. All right, and then the wire is just temporary sitting here. Then I'm gonna tighten it up. I gotta climb the tree up as high as I can to get a good support. And my orientation will be north and south, so my signal will be going east and west. All right, hopefully I can hit Europe. We'll see what happens. Here's an extra disco and scanner, disco and antenna I have. If anybody wants it, shoot me a message. It's yours for free. I'll pay for shipping too. All right. All right, guys. There's the antenna. I covered the Balun in a Tupperware and then with a pool liner just to protect it, which is similar to this stuff. And one leg is going to the tree, and I can drop that leg if I want to. And another leg is going to this spot right here. And I got a rope right to my tower, and I can drop it with the ropes. Got all my 3 coaxes here. They don't come in the house. And one day they will. I gotta drill a hole through the siding and bring it in, but not right now. I just tuck out here on my little table. All right. And there's the antenna. I got it on a paint mast. So from the ground, all the way up there is 20 feet. Okay, I know I should be higher, but that's what it is. All right, guys, check out my lemons. My lemon tree. Oh, yes. And whoever wants this disco, and you better message me and let me know it's yours, free shipping.